Road Warrior is a product that has, over the years, been a staple at Heartland. Throughout those years, we've taken the time to actually be intentional with listening to our customers so that the features and the floor plans that we launched were directly speaking to the needs that the retail customer had.
So the typical toy hauler customer is that customer who wants the versatility to either use their garage space for an office, either for their toys or bunk rooms for their kids. And Road Warrior in particular does a really good job at that. So after listening to our customer base and coming together as a team, we really wanted to deliver features that these customers wanted all at once. So instead of having a laundry list of options that they would have to select to outfit their units, we wanted to give the customer all those options right out of the gate, whether that be our standard leveling system, whether that be our frameless windows, or our lockable 30-30 fuel cell. That is all standard here on the Road Warrior toy hauler.
A couple of cool features for Road Warrior that are standard are going to be our zero gravity ramp door and our party patio kit. All of those are standard on this year's model because we wanted to make sure that the customer, when they come to purchase this product, it's not something they have to worry about upgrading. It just comes standard. A couple of the floor plans that we have within the Road Warrior are all synonymous with garage sizes. We want to make sure that we're providing the customer with the garage length that they need for the toys that they're going to bring with them. Our 351 is our smallest unit. The unit there is an 11-foot garage, double axle floor plan, but it's meant to be that weekend getaway type product, right? You can throw the golf cart in there, you can throw the ATVs, but just a smaller floor plan. Another floor plan I really like is the 375, a newer floor plan for this year, island kitchen with bar stools in it, but it provides that 13-foot garage option, but a industry staple floor plan with features that the customer just needs.
So I like to think of Road Warrior's interior as both modern and rugged, whether it be our natural wooden cabinets with our contrasting dark lowers. You pair that with our white solid surface countertops and black poles. It really gives for a modern but also rugged look.
The design for Road Warrior this year is really taking a lot of cues from the current trends within the home industry. We really went after almost a modern industrial type feel. We wanted to make sure that it was both inviting, but also still had that edgy feel to it that is synonymous with toy haulers.
So I love being on this team mainly because when I see one of these Road Warriors go down the road, I know that person is either going to be using this to work remotely, either using this for family time, going to one of our many national parks, really just getting out, enjoying life, and that's really kind of what it's all about. I'm really happy that I have a part in that.
The Road Warrior has been something that we've taken the time to listen to the retail customers, and quite honestly, when I see one being purchased, it just speaks to the fact that we did our job listening and making sure that that customer felt comfortable to purchase one of our products.